Hey guys, welcome back to All My Fun. Today I'll be reviewing Innisfree's Jeju Life perfumed hand cream. This hand cream is quite handy and it's super feasible to carry anywhere. Got this hand cream from Amazon and it costs 300 rupees. I have purchased October variant. There are many other variants such as July, January, February, April and May. So let's see how to use this one. Firstly, apply it on your palm and back of your hand and then just spread it all over your hand. Apply it all over your hand, in between the fingers, knuckles and everywhere else, like I'm showing it here. As you can notice, it has matte finish. Coming to the fragrance, the earthy smell it has is what I love the most about this October variant. The fragrance is mild and so calming. I would definitely suggest you guys to get this hand cream. It's non-sticky as well. So guys, there are many other skincare videos in our channel. Do check them out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.